Dropshipping has taken the e-commerce world by storm, offering budding entrepreneurs a gateway to the online retail space without the hefty initial costs of stock inventory. Essentially, you sell products directly to the customer, but the supplier handles the storage and shipping. Sounds pretty neat, right? Well, let's dive into some of the top products that are just perfect for a dropshipping business. 1. Eco-friendly products. As green living gains traction, products like reusable bags, biodegradable utensils, and sustainable beauty items are not just nice-to-haves. They're must-haves. They're not only good for the planet, but also great for business, because customers love brands that care about the environment. 2. Fitness and wellness products. With more folks jumping on the wellness wagon, items like yoga mats, resistance bands, and foam rollers are flying off the virtual shelves. After all, who doesn't want to stay fit while binge watching their favorite series? 3. Home decor. Since many people are still sprucing up their homes, products like minimalist furniture, wall art, and smart lighting solutions are pretty popular. It's amazing how a simple piece can transform a room, right? 4. Fashion items. The ever-changing world of fashion. Dropshipping trendy items like oversized sunglasses or vintage watches can be a bit of a gamble, but boy, does it pay off when you hit the mark. Just stay on top of the trends, and you'll be golden. 5. Gadgets and accessories. In our tech-driven world, there's always a new gadget popping up. Think wireless chargers, Bluetooth earphones, or smartwatches. These products tend to have a steady demand, making them a safe bet for a new business. 6. Personalized products. Items that scream you're all the rage. Whether it's custom jewelry, personalized pet products, or tailor-made stationery, these products make customers feel special because, well, they are special. 7. Educational toys for children. As parents focus more on constructive play, educational toys are a hit. They're not just toys, they're tools that help little ones learn. That's something parents are definitely willing to invest in. Dropshipping these types of products can be a great way to step into e-commerce without taking on too much risk. Just remember, it's crucial to choose products that not only have a high demand, but also give you a good profit margin. Oh, and don't forget to partner with reliable suppliers to keep those customer reviews glowing. So, why not give it a go? You might just find yourself the next big thing in online retail.